We have two major companies right now. One is Ozone Beverages Ltd and one is Ozone Overseas Ltd. They both fall under the same umbrella for sure. And Ozone Beverages Ltd is into the purification of water. So we purify the water, we package them, and we supply to the country, to industries. We sell 20-liter refills water for dispensers. We have hotels where we do branded water. We supply glass bottles to hotel, because now there's a lot of plastic is out. Now Kenya has no plastic kind of environment now. So we have glass bottles we supply to the hotels. We have restaurants. We have many airlines we are supplying the water to, which is again a branded water for airlines. So this is what is my one company doing, that we purify the water, we package them into different packaging, and then we supply. So that's Ozone Beverages Limited. Another company we have is Ozone Overseas Limited. Ozone Overseas Limited is into plant and machinery related to reverse osmosis, which is again water purification, which is not only limited to purification, but we also help for the packaging. So we have bottling machines. We have if you need a line for packaging, we give. So that company is helping with two major machines. One is those who dream to have a water company. You see, now people are many, which they say that, oh, water industry is a good business, but I really don't know how can I have a water company? They have investment. They have a place, but they don't know how to. So Ozone Overseas Limited gives a turnkey project to the investor who dream to have a water company. So we work first on the turnkey projects. Like somebody comes to us and say that I have this premises, I am in this location, and now I want to have a packaging drinking water with my name and my label. So we go to the premises, we visit it, we show them that, okay, this will be needed. These are the investment, these are the machines you require, these are the people you'll be needing, and this is the total time it will take to make your machine, make your company. So we give turnkey project for water company. Number two, we give plant and machinery. There are so many companies where the RO machines, reverse osmosis machine, is very much required for their raw water, because maybe it's a medical company. If they want a water which has to be used in producing the medicine, they need to have a certain parameter precisely for that water to be used for processing for the medicine production. So we give the machines with their production expectation requirements. And we set up the machine with their expectation from the water, what exactly precisely they want and the water. And there are places where, like if you go to Mombasa, the coastline, it is full of salty water. So there is a biggest challenge in Kenya right now is, if you go to coastline, the water is so salty that you cannot even use it for your household. You can't use it for shower. So we need to process that water and reduce the TDS, the total dissolved solids of basically salt. So we need to reduce the salt level, and we process the water to make it in a way that they can use it easily for the general purpose also, which is mainly a challenge in hotels, because the hotel is very close to the sea. Of course, they need a beach view. So when they go for beach view, then they drill the borehole. The water is, of course, like sea. It's very salty. But the same water cannot be used in the shower, because when the people will come, they'll be like, no, this water is not good. So we give them the plant and machinery, which is like a huge demand. Like if the hotel is, say, 150 rooms, so they need minimum the RO with 20,000 liter per hour, because this is for general purpose use. So that's what we give. We give water solution for those which have the quality water is not in, like, can be consumed or maybe used for household places. So that's what we do in Ozone Overseas Limited. And we have plants and machinery, plus we have bottling machines. So the people who want like a total turnkey project, we also give them two options. They can go for manual packaging, because it depends on the package, on the pocket they have. So maybe if they want limited investment and want to start with a small industry, small scale project, we give them manual filling, wherein they can have semi-automatic system for bottling plant, where they can have a speed which is good. If they have a packaging machine, of course, the speed is good. If you go for a labor which will be packaging it, there are two challenges. One is hygiene. and number two is the speed. So these machines which we provide, it depends on how much is the pocket they have, how much the investment capacity they have. So we have all three. If they want manual packaging line, we help them how to create it in a way that they can pick up the speed to process, to package the water. And if they want, they want of course automation, but they can't afford the fully auto machines for packaging. We give them semi-automatic machines. So it depends on whole idea of an investor, how they would like to go, but we have the solution for it for sure.